Day 6 of March Madness for you today. Today we are targeting the abdominal connection into forward flexion. So Mariela, if we can get you to interlace your hands behind the back of your head. Now I like to have the elbows slightly further forward so that it's much easier for you to relax the top of your shoulders. As soon as you push your arms back, you're going to bring a lot of tension into the back of your neck. Now, when we did the breathing, we talked about how those ribs draw away and down into the body. So that's what we're going to focus on, because that's what's going to lift the weight of the head. So Mariela's going to do an inhale. She's really going to focus on the movement of her ribs, and then she's gently going to roll up following the movement of her abdominals. Inhale to slowly come down. So exhale, shrug the armpits down to melt the spine. And inhale to come back. So she's melting the front body so the back body can lift. We're just going to do one more like that. Now, if you're having difficulty with this, or if your neck is maybe not feeling too comfortable, you can try using a flex ring. So you're going to pop the flex ring at the base of the skull at the back. So right on here, not into your neck. This also has the added benefit of giving your triceps a good workout. So your head has to stay heavy in the flex ring. So as you exhale, the ribs come down, the hands push up to stabilize the head, and then you curve. And inhale to slowly go back down. So you don't have to come up very high. You just want to make sure that your head stays relaxed. So come up as high as your body will allow. So there we go. That is day 6 of your March Madness, getting those abs nice and connected.